Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the world of Fiverr, and I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your skills into a steady stream of side hustle income. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a voiceover artist, or even if you just have a knack for something unique, Fiverr is a platform bursting with opportunity. We'll cover everything from setting up your profile to landing those high-paying gigs, so buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. But before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. The first step to making money on Fiverr is figuring out what you can offer. Think about your skills, hobbies, and anything you're naturally good at. Are you a Photoshop whiz? Maybe you can whip up killer website copy or even create catchy jingles in your sleep. Once you've got a few ideas, head over to Fiverr and do some digging. Check out what other sellers in your niche are offering and what buyers are requesting. Look for gaps in the market, something unique you can offer that maybe others aren't. So, take your time, brainstorm, and find that sweet spot where your skills meet market demand. Now that you know what you're bringing to the table, it's time to build your Fiverr HQ. Head over to Fiverr and create your account. Choose a professional username that reflects your brand and upload a high-quality headshot. Next up, your bio. This is your elevator pitch, your chance to tell potential clients who you are and what you can do for them. Keep it concise, engaging, and highlight your unique skills and experience. Remember, you're building trust here. Choose a clear, high-resolution photo that shows your face in good lighting. Fill out all the necessary sections, including your skills, education, and certifications. Remember, a complete profile is a professional profile. With your profile polished, it's time to create your first gig, your money-making masterpiece. Use strong keywords that describe your service and grab attention. Think of it like a headline. Choose the right category for your gig. Outline what you offer, the benefits, and deliverables. Be specific about your process and pricing. You've got a killer gig, but now you need to make sure it's visible in the vast sea of Fiverr offerings. This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. Start by researching relevant keywords that buyers are using to find services like yours. Use tools like Fiverr's search bar suggestions and Google Keyword Planner to get insights into popular search terms. Once you have a list of keywords, strategically incorporate them into your gig title, description, and tags. Don't stuff keywords in unnaturally though. Focus on using them organically, in a way that makes sense and reads well. Use high-quality images that are relevant to your service and visually appealing. Finally, consider using video in your gig. A well-crafted gig video can significantly increase your click-through rate and conversions. Creating a fantastic gig is only half the battle. Now it's time to get the word out and attract those eager buyers. One of the best ways to promote your gig is through social media. Share your gig on your personal and professional profiles, join relevant Facebook groups and forums, and engage with potential clients. Next, consider running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and even Fiverr itself. These platforms allow you to narrow down your audience based on demographics, interests, and even keywords. Another effective promotion strategy is collaborating with other Fiverr sellers. Look for sellers in complementary niches and offer to promote each other's services. Finally, don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Tell your friends, family, and colleagues about your Fiverr gigs and encourage them to spread the word. Congratulations, you've landed your first order. Now it's time to deliver exceptional service and exceed your clients' expectations. Communication is key throughout the entire process. Respond to messages promptly, ask clarifying questions, and keep your client updated on your progress. Make sure you fully understand your client's requirements and deliver exactly what they asked for. Pay attention to details, follow instructions carefully, and don't be afraid to ask for clarification if needed. Always strive to deliver high-quality work that you're proud of. Take your time, double-check your work, and make sure it's free of errors. Remember, your goal is to impress your client and encourage them to leave a positive review. Finally, always meet your deadlines. Transparency and professionalism go a long way in building trust and maintaining a positive client relationship. Know you've been a good friend. On Fiverr, reviews are everything. They're your social proof, your credibility, and your ticket to attracting more clients. After you've successfully completed an order, don't be shy about asking your client for a review. A simple message expressing your gratitude and politely requesting feedback can go a long way. Aim for those coveted 5-star reviews by consistently delivering exceptional service, high-quality work, and excellent communication. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, in a professional and courteous manner. Addressing negative reviews publicly shows potential clients that you care about feedback and are committed to resolving issues. Positive reviews will follow, attracting more clients and propelling your Fiverr success. Once you've established yourself on Fiverr and have a steady stream of clients, it's time to level up your earnings through strategic upselling and cross-selling. Upselling is all about offering additional services or features that enhance your client's initial purchase. For example, if you're a writer offering a basic article writing gig, you could upsell by offering additional revisions or faster turnaround times. Cross-selling involves offering complementary services that meet other needs your client might have. The key to successful upselling and cross-selling is to identify your client's needs and offer solutions that provide additional value. Don't be pushy or salesy. It's about providing additional value, enhancing their experience, and ultimately growing your Fiverr business. The world of freelancing is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead of the competition, you need to be a lifelong learner. Make it a habit to stay updated on industry trends, learn new skills, and refine your existing ones. One of the best ways to stay ahead of the curve is to invest in your education. Take online courses, attend webinars, read industry blogs and publications, and participate in relevant online communities. Another crucial aspect of continuous improvement is seeking feedback and learning from your experiences. Embrace a growth mindset, be open to new ideas, and never stop seeking ways to improve your skills and knowledge. By continuously learning and evolving, you'll ensure your Fiverr business remains competitive and thrives in the long run. Congratulations, you've mastered Fiverr freelancing and built a successful business. To scale your Fiverr empire, think bigger and expand your services. Create multiple gigs targeting different niches or offer variations of existing services. Leverage your client base and explore new niches. Build a team to manage workload and expand your offerings. Delegating tasks frees up your time for business development and client acquisition. Expand services, reach new markets, and build a strong team. Create a thriving Fiverr business with sustainable income. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money on Fiverr. Remember, success on Fiverr, or any freelancing platform, requires hard work, dedication, and a commitment to delivering exceptional service. But with the right mindset, a solid strategy, and the tips and tricks you've learned today, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving Fiverr business. Now, it's time to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning and growing. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching.